In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wireframes in Lucidchart. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and customize a wireframe to suit your specific needs using this powerful online platform. Let's start by heading over to your web browser and visiting lucid.co. Once there, you'll want to look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and it will take you to a new screen where you can sign in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. For ease and speed, you might consider using the Sign Up with Google option if that's available to you. This can help streamline the process by linking your Lucidchart account directly with your Google account, saving you time on setup. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new project. On the Lucidchart dashboard, locate the button that says New. Clicking this will open up options for creating different types of documents or diagrams. You'll see a variety of templates that can kickstart your project. Select Create from Template to see a list of template options that Lucidchart provides. For this specific task, you're going to type wireframe in the search bar to filter the templates. Look for the Wireflow template, which is a simple, easy-to-use option. This template serves as a great starting point for designing wireframes, offering a balance between functionality and simplicity. Once you find it, click on Use to start customizing your wireframe. When your template is open and ready, you might want to add more shapes to tailor it for your specific needs. On the left side of your screen, there's an option labeled More Shapes. Clicking on this will open a list of additional shapes you can incorporate into your wireframe. These shapes are crucial for adding unique elements to your design. If you're using a premium version of Lucidchart, you gain access to UI mockups. This is particularly beneficial if you need to incorporate specific user interface elements like buttons and icons into your design. These mockups can significantly enhance the realism and functionality of your wireframe, giving you a more accurate representation of your final product. Finally, remember that you can modify and refine your wireframe based on your industry or application requirements. Lucidchart's flexibility allows you to customize the templates to suit almost any project, whether you are working in tech, healthcare, education, or another sector. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create effective and tailored wireframes using Lucidchart. Thank you for watching and happy designing.